Hello viewers, I'm Rohit Khurana from Intellect Digest. In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed review of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8.0. This is the latest Note device, the N510. This is 8-inch display. This device weighs under 350 grams. Has an 8-inch display of 1200 by 800 pixel high definition display. What you get is a clear LCD which is quite responsive. As you can see, the touch screen looks quite vibrant. The USP of this device is that it's quite slim, under 8 millimeters, and very easy to hold in one hand, so you can carry it very comfortably. Let me quickly give you a hardware tour first of all. So at front you have an 8-inch display. At the bottom you have these 3 buttons. This is a physical home button and a back button and a menu button. These 2 are touch buttons, and the middle one is a physical button. On the right hand side you have a power or wake up key. This is the second mic hole for noise cancellation. This is the volume rocker, and this is the infrared for universal remote feature. At the bottom you have stereo speakers. As you can see, there are 2 speaker meshes. The standard micro USB port over here. Here is a micro SD card slot in which you can add up to 64 gigabytes of memory card, and there is a SIM card slot for 3G data. It also supports voice calling over the GSM. So with 3G and GSM data networks available, you can use it as a full-featured phone. There is an infrared port over here which can be used in case you want to use this device as a universal remote. So that is an added functionality. There is a 5 megapixel autofocus camera at the rear. This comes without flash. There is a 1.3 megapixel camera at front for video conferencing as well as taking a picture of yourself. It's a very powerful device, has 1.6 gigahertz quad-core processor, 2 GB of RAM, which is quite ample to do multitasking and run heavy games and applications all at the same time. I'll just show you many applications are running at the same time, and the device is still quite responsive. It runs Android Jelly Bean 4.1, so you get the goodness of Google Now and the voice recognition features. You also get the Galaxy S Voice, which is the Samsung Galaxy series voice recognition special feature, which gives you some additional features. You can read ebooks on this. There is a Reader Hub application. This application gives you the experience which you will get on the devices like Kindle, etc. To make the reading experience even more comfortable, you have a dedicated reading mode over here, which is when enabled, it will give you a more comfortable contrast ratios so that you don't get your eyes too much strained. In the previous versions, this pen did not work on these touch buttons, but now it works, which is a welcome addition. You can also use the multi-window feature in which you can use more than one applications on the screen at the same time, which can give you a true multitasking experience. So you can have 2 applications open side by side. Just like this, you can switch the places or increase or decrease the size of one of these applications depending on your usage and comfort level. When a video is playing in pop-up mode, you can run another application in the background and the video will keep playing just like this. So there is a video running here, and we are able to use the tablet in other modes. I'll even show you a Temple Run 2 demo on this device. So here you can see it is playing this game quite well. The graphics are coming out to be quite vibrant and impressive. And the gaming experience on this device is quite good because of the display quality as well as the responsiveness because of the highest specifications of this device. With S Pen you can use functionalities like the handwriting recognition. There is also a very useful smart cover accessory. Many of the times you may forget to lock your tablet, but this smart cover automatically locks it by sensing the proximity of this cover near it, and when you open the flap, it will automatically unlock this device for you. So summing up the summary of a quick review, this device is quite interesting when it comes to the value proposition. It is quite slim, easy to carry, has a very vibrant display, has comfortable reading modes, gives you stunning performance with 1.6 gigahertz quad-core processor, 2 GB RAM, impressive specification, impressive build quality, impressive features. So all in all, a very feature-packed device. For more such videos, please press the subscribe button below. We'll give you a detailed review very soon. If you like our video, please press the like button below. This is Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.